Okay, so I managed to download a few of these cars. Not the best. I added the materials and everything inside them. They're not the best materials. They're just um something I quickly sopped on. Don't know what the hell this is. Oh well, we're not really gonna be able to see these cars anyway. They're just gonna be flying by, so I don't really care. Might not even animate them that properly. I'll see later. The size might be able to be adjusted. Let's see if we can put them down on our. I think the size is actually nice. Might be perfect because the phone booth and the size of the car. I think this size of the car is fine, or this size, something like that. We'll just these two are the exact same size, so I guess I'll just might want to actually join these. Scale it up a bit. That's fine. And join this too. Nice. Okay, so we have 3 cars at almost eye level. Let me just put it on the surface. And this one, and where's the other one? And this one. It looks fine. I don't have them coming and going, so let me go ahead and animate this for 5 seconds. Let's solid view. Start one off over here. Hope it's in the middle of our texture. Let's see, about there. Okay, and iframe it, location, and down the line it should go somewhere around here. Location. Same with our cars over here, and this is going this way, so let's start this over here and check if it's in the middle. Is it? Might be. Location. Oops. My location, and then we go to the last frame and move it up. Maybe just to here. Location. Actually, I can move it back here. I don't know if there's a traffic light or not. And I think I might want to have one going across. So let's go ahead and rotate this minus 90 degrees and have it start over here. Let's see if it fits in our. That's fine. Start over here at frame 80, and last frame we can go over here. Location. Save that. Put that in. Now if we go ahead and check out our cars. Moving. So if we go into our rendered view. Nice, this looks good. This looks like it might actually crash. Can't really see this, but I I guess that does not look bad. This should maybe enter a little later. So let's go ahead and start this, and let's have it finish. Let's have this start about here. Have this over here, so that kind of whiz past. That looks good. And maybe with the depth field you'll be able to see the tires and everything, so we don't really have to go too much into animating all that, but at least we have the scene set. Now let's get a few people down there and this should start looking good.